before I do the actual food unboxing, I wanna show you. This is how food is being sold in Thailand. So although there is a box, you know, like they could have just put the food here inside, but this is the style in Thailand. Everywhere on the streets, people who sell food that is not just skewers, you know, like meat skewers, will give you the food to carry home in a bag, which is understandable, funny, extremely funny to me, because I've never seen something like this. But it's a way of living, and in theory it would spare, you know, it would package material. But in this case, at the hotel, I told I want like a lunch box, so they gave me the box and this plastic bag that I will have to open, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with. Cheers, and let's go to the actual video of what I wanted to show you, the food unboxing. Let's do a food unboxing here in front of my room. And that sounds totally crazy, food unboxing, but you will see what I mean. It's all wrapped. So I totally have to unbox them with one hand, which tends to go wrong. Okay, what we have here, this is papaya salad, which in Thailand, you know, they have this fruit papaya. They have the green version, and it is a very delicious salad because the fruit's texture is really crunchy. So you get this crunchy, sour taste, and you can see we have peanuts inside, and lime here, the lime, and this soury lemon sauce. Next thing that we unbox is, it's the soup. You remember I had that soup that I loved so much in Chiang Mai at that gorgeous restaurant? And so that is a coconut soup with lime, lemon, so it tastes like coconut and lemon, and this one of course has chicken inside. And I'm so bad at this unboxing. Oh, come on, man, come on Adeyto, it is open. Yo, okay, and let's really see, just like in Chiang Mai, it has tomato, like fresh cut tomato, and then onion, red onion, mushrooms, and some animal, however, ginger, see this one? So this you will not eat, it's just inside to give flavor, it's really hard. So, and chicken, but this, like this one is so delicious, this coconut and lemony mixture, very nice. Okay, let's poke around this one too, so that I can show you the papaya. So yeah, actually, yes, these strings here, this is the green papaya, and it's really crunchy and has a subtle fruity flavor, but it's not like a fruit. Yeah, it's not like a fruit salad. And the main dish is pad thai, the famous noodles of Thailand. These noodles are not made of wheat, that's why in theory they are not gonna make you as fat as the other Italian noodles and pasta are gonna make you fat. And here we have, this is peanuts, roasted peanuts that you can add on top, and then spice, chili. These victims, I don't know why they are there, but they are there, as well as here. And look how nice, this one they added like really big prawns, and really fresh ones, so it really seems to be so delicious. And see, the noodles are slightly translucent, and those are the rice noodles, so not your usual pasta. Yo, and I'll have this lunch with, let me get the landscape like this in the mirror in the window. I am so starved at this point. And oh, together with, oh, this stuff, very delicious, Schweppes with Manao soda. Okay, so this thing is not lime, they call it Manao, and it's probably same thing that's in here. Let me poke at it, see, done. Yes, so that Manao thingy, and then chang, cha-chang. Yes, this is the view. Thank goodness for the stunning weather, and I really hope to get in that ocean, swim and get fit. You know what? In my room, the air conditioner was at 17 degrees Celsius, so I caught a bad cough already, but I feel much better, and that was just like in 15 minutes of staying in a super cold freezer room. Anyway, I turned it off. Gonna have this food now, so I'm not gonna keep you staring at me eating only for a few seconds, because I really want to know if this is really so delicious. Very perfect. And I'm gonna add a little spice. Perfect. Ah, food, finally. Yo, okay, let's see the soup. I'm not gonna eat the animal, just the soup. Lovely. A little bit more mild than the one I had in Chiang Rai. That one was more sour, but that's why we have this Manao baby to put it inside. And last thing, the papaya salad. The papaya here. It's really hard to stick your fork through it, so this is very crunchy. Perfect! Yo!